Ever wondered how to make your emails stand out and resonate with your audience? In this video, I'm going to show you how to send personalized emails tailored to your audience preferences using Formaloo. Whether you're using Gmail, Microsoft, or any other email provider, SMTP allows you to send customized email directly from your account. With Formaloo, you can easily create dynamic templates and use powerful logic to automatically send the perfect email based on your user's response. Let me show you how. Setting up SMTP is similar in different email providers. In this video, I show you how to do it on the Gmail one, but you can learn more by searching about the others. To set up your SMTP for Google, first head to this link to set up your two-step authentication. Once you've done it, open this link to create an app password. This is necessary to create your SMTP. This will give you a 16-character password. Save it and head to the Formaloo dashboard. Open the App Store from the top right corner, select Email and click on SMTP settings. Fill in the settings exactly like this. Now let's create email templates and personalize them. You can include answers, questions, images, and a lot more in your templates. Take a look at this tutorial to learn more about personalizing your templates. Once we have created our templates, we should implement them separately for each Formaloo. Open the Form Editor and go to the Notify tab, enable sending email to respondent, and choose the email template you'd like to send by default. You can send even personalized email based on your user's answers. To do that, choose one of the fields, open the Logic tab, and select Advanced Logic. Once it's open, scroll down to the last field, which is on submitting the form, add rules, and create logic based on your audience answer. Choose which templates must be sent for each answer. Easy like that, Formaloo helps you create a unique customer journey that will make your audience feel special and unique. Congrats! You've just learned how to create a unique and personalized email journey for your audience. In the upcoming episodes, we'll dive into real-world use cases to help you create more amazing tools for your clients. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And like always, happy Formalooing!